For a business to survive, one must go beyond understanding the critical components of a value-based business strategy. You must also know how to implement one, especially if you own a small business. Small businesses benefit from value-based strategies because they promote customer and brand loyalty, also drive product innovation to meet customer needs. Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the 3 business strategies that can assist small business owners to become more competent and profitable. Some of you are probably wondering what a value-based business strategy is. A value-based business strategy is a methodology in which a company prices its goods or services based on their customers' perceived value of the good. This strategy consists of understanding customer needs, differentiating products or services based on unique value, pricing according to value, communicating the value proposition effectively, and consistent delivering exceptional value to customers. With that said, let's briefly discuss the 3 business strategies to consider for your organization. Starting at number 1 is driving company value using differentiation. Creating higher product value requires differentiating your services from competitors. According to business experts, differentiation is one way for smaller businesses to succeed when competing with larger platforms. The first step to differentiation is considering the type of investment required. A larger competitor, for instance, can produce sizable investments at a lower cost by spreading a fixed cost over several transactions. This means differentiation works best for smaller companies when it's achieved with modest variable costs. For example, group buying, also known as collective buying, is a strategy in which a company agrees to sell a product or service in bulk at a lower price. E-commerce retailers commonly use collective buying. Smaller companies can take advantage of it by offering products at scale or upgraded feature tiers to like-minded customers. This method ultimately lowers the fixed cost of customer acquisitions because current customers recruit new ones who benefit from a lower price point. It can also increase value in ways that don't depend on product scale. For example, network effects. When a product or service gains value as more people use it, are beneficial because they increase willingness to pay. Number 2. Focusing on neglected platform participants. In addition to differentiation, another approach highlighted business strategy is focusing on the willingness to purchase of a consumer group less favored by a competing platform. Large organizations serve multiple customer groups and subsets, which can make differentiating your product and establishing your ideal customer profile daunting. However, it's difficult for those businesses to ensure every customer is happy because of the scale of their operations. By targeting neglected customers unhappy with competitors' products or services, you can differentiate your offerings and win their business by better meeting their needs. To do this effectively, return to the essentials of value-based business strategy, research your target market, gather feedback so you can address customers' pain points, and develop trust. Number 3. Catering to small groups of customers. Another business strategy to consider is focusing on customers who value connection. By doing so, you can significantly increase brand loyalty and develop customer advocates who recruit others and increase retention. eHarmony, the online dating platform, is used as an example in business strategy. Within the competitive landscape of dating sites, customers' willingness to purchase is often pulled in opposite directions as websites attract more members. Yet, an increase in membership can create more competition among users when trying to find someone to date, which can deter people from using the platform and decrease its perceived value. Consider one of eHarmony's competitors, Match.com. While Match.com membership price is lower than eHarmony's, its large number of users lowers the value of its services for many consumers. Unlike Match.com, eHarmony sells its services to a small group of consumers to remove the possibility of them experiencing too much rejection when seeking a dating partner. Its users, in turn, pay a premium price for that experience and help the business succeed. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy our content, please support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe button. Also, place your comment or questions below.